Hey guys, ever wanted to take the perfect family photo, but everyone's just too busy? Well, your savior has arrived. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a complete family photo, all with AI. No time to waste, let's get started. Step 1, download HitPaw Edimakor. First, download Edimakor. If you haven't used it yet, I'll leave the link in the description below. Step 2, create family photo. Click New Project, then go to AI Image and choose Image Generator. Since we're uploading photos of our family members, select Reference Image. Next, pick the Google Nano Banana model. Just keep in mind, this one only lets you upload up to 3 images. So if your family has more than 3 people, you can either upload a group photo or switch to Seedream 4.0 instead. Go ahead and upload your images, then type in your prompt. If you're not sure how to write a good one, you can always use the prompt generator. I've already got mine ready, so I'll just paste it here. If you like how it turns out, I've put the same prompt down in the description, so you can try it out too. Now set your aspect ratio and output quantity. When everything looks good, hit generate. And there you go, your family photo. But that's not all. You can even change the scene to anywhere you want. Just right-click the image, choose Re-edit, and tweak the part after the dash in your prompt. For example, standing together outdoors in front of their home. And then hit Generate again, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Your support seriously keeps us going.